together, and these will be easy instructions. Once again, as you can see, I have 2 balloons over here, and I'll be taping them together. So the topic of this video is specifically me showing you and telling you in specific how to tape balloons together, and these will be easy instructions. So let's get right into these easy instructions showing you how to tape balloons together. Okay, with that intro out of the way, let's get into this. I have 2 balloons here. We recently had my oldest daughter. I have 4 kids, right? I have a son and 3 daughters. So recently I had my oldest daughter's birthday party, and I saved some of the balloons. They were deflating, but I saved them because I got to do a couple videos with them. So essentially, these are a little bit deflated, but even if your balloons are properly inflated or fully inflated, you're still going to use this method. Now you can tape them together. Now if you want to do a display and you want the balloons to stay together, you should be taping them together and then taping them in display form, okay? So it's very simple. What you're gonna do is take your ends over here, okay? You can see there was ribbon attached to them before, okay? You're gonna take your ends over here and you're gonna bring them together, okay? Now you wanna, be careful, you don't wanna pop the balloons, but you wanna get a good amount of play over here. So you can see right here, I have a good amount that I can work with, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm essentially going to be taking the ends and I'm going to be twisting them. So I got a little bit of an itch on my head in case you see me constantly scratching here. And there was a spider in the corner. I'm in my laundry room. There was a spider in the corner before, and I can't see it anymore. So I'm getting itchy because now I'm like, where did the spider go? It was a little spider, but anyways, it's all good. So just so you know why I'm scratching my head or it's kind of scratching around. So anyways, you're going to take the ends of the balloons and you're going to twist them together. So what we're doing now is we're twisting them together, okay? And hold on to it like that. So we've now twisted the ends together, okay? I'm gonna hold on to both ends. This end over here with these fingers, and I'm gonna use the rest of my thumb and my index to hold on to the top. So the twist is still staying in place. Now I'm gonna get some tape, okay? You can already have your tape laid out. That would be a smarter thing for me to do, but you know, sometimes I don't really think outside the box. Most of the time I do, but sometimes I don't. And you're gonna get your tape, and you're gonna, just give me a second here. My kids might have been using the tape before, so it's all sort of like, it's all, you know, when the end is like all off. Anyways, it's all good, it's all good. I'm just gonna get a little bit of tape, okay? You wanna use a little bit of tape just to tape them together at first. So I'm gonna try and show you what I'm doing. Right here, I'm gonna tape them together through the spindle that I created, okay? I'm gonna tape them through the spindle that I created right now. That's gonna do 2 things, as you can see. It's going to, number 1, hold them together, and number 2, it's going to keep the spindle in place so they're more likely to stay together, okay? So as you can see right here, I've taped them together. And now what we have is we have balloons that are attached, okay? As you can see, I can completely let go of them, and they're attached. We have balloons that are attached, but also we have a nice area right here that we can go ahead and use as a display to tape it to the wall, to put some ribbon around, whatever the case is. Now you can put another piece of tape on that to make sure it's going to stay, they're going to stay together and it's going to stay put. But these are deflated. The party was like more than a week ago now, so I'm just going to be, you know, discarding these balloons. I'm going to be throwing these balloons out. So I'm not going to tape them again. But you can definitely put a second piece of tape. And that is basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this instructional video tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.